Hello everybody, in today's video I will show you how to send money from Canada to India through Remitly. On the official website of Remitly, on the left corner next to the logo, you can choose Canada as the country you want to send the money from, and then you choose India here. Then you may have here a button that appears like send money, so you just can click that blue button. But because I'm not logged in, the button is not here, so let's just log in. Then this window will appear, but like you can see, USD, so the dollar is showing up here. All you have to do to send from Canada is go here on the right corner and then go down to Canada, choose this one, click on it, and then this window will change, so you can send Canada, like from Canada CAD to India. You see, now the currency changed. All you have to do now is choose express or economy. You see like what the rates are, then just click the blue button, continue. Very easy. Choose from bank deposits, cash pickup when you want to send someone so he can pick up the cash, but in this case, in the most cases, you will choose bank deposit here. Then you choose your Canadian bank. If this bank is not available here, you choose another bank by clicking here, and then you can choose from all of these Canadian banks here, or just search for the bank here in the search option. Next, for example, I click next. You put in the account number and go through all the details like the recipient's address, phone number, and so on until you see the button where you can send the money. And that's basically it, how you send money from Canada to India through Remitly by choosing here on the right corner the country where you want to money to send from. So it will be I think on the United States on when you sign in first time, but you choose Canada, and now you can just type in the amount you want to send to India, and that's basically it. Very simple, very straightforward. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next guide.